Hello everyone, today we will be learning about how to install Python through using PyCharm IDE, and later on we will install Opencv plugin which is using for computer vision. So first of all we will search python.org. So from here we can download the latest version Python 3.10.4. We can download it from here, and after that we can download PyCharm. Here we have two options. We will using the community version because it is free and fulfill our requirements. So we can download it from here. So I will pause the video here. When it will done, I'll come back. So now we will come back, and first of all we will install Python. We can click it and install now. And after a little bit wait, our Python setup is successfully installed. And here our setup was successfully installed, and we can close it. And now we can move to the PyCharm IDE. We can click it. And allow it. After that we can click it on next, and here we can add the .py files, and we can create a shortcut for path, and we can click add next, and now our PyCharm environment is installing. So here it looks asking for reboot now, or I want to manually reboot later. So you can manually reboot later, or you can reboot now. So we can click on finish. So now we can move to the PyCharm. So we can click it on PyCharm and open it. So here we can agree with the user agreement. And don't send. Now our PyCharm community is starting. So we can click on new project and we can open our new we can rename our new project as Opencv test and create. We will go to our project folder and we can see that our virtual environment is created. So from here we can create a new file. We can create a Python file. We will call it test. Can make a new file here and we can check our Python version is working or not. So we can use print this is test. So we can select the text and run test. So here we can see that this is test is print. So our next task is to install Opencv library. So first of all we can check that what we can import cv2 and run it. So here we can see that module not found error, no module name cv2. So what we can do is we can go to the file and settings, and here we can see project open test Python interpreter. So from here we can add new libraries. So here we can see that our latest version Python 3.10 we are using. So what we will do, so from here we can search Opencv. So we can select it from here and install package, and we can also install Numpy as well. So we can click on Numpy and install package. So we can cancel it from here and click it OK. So here is our libraries are installing. So we can wait it for this. So once it is completed, we can run the test. So here our Numpy library is installed and waiting for Opencv. Opencv library is using for computer vision, which we can further use in our next videos in our projects. So we are waiting for Opencv to successfully install. So here is our libraries are installed. So we can get an error. So we can check. So here we cannot get any error because our Opencv library is successfully installed. So guys, if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share my video for the latest update.